The purpose of this video is to assist Homeland Defender users in their training on proper use of Blauer's XRT Ensemble. This video covers the key topics of storage and maintenance, donning, doffing, and inspection. For your safety, it's important that you watch this video in its entirety and are able to perform all of the tasks before using your XRT Ensemble. The shelf life of Blauer's XRT Ensemble is up to 10 years if stored properly. Key storage requirements include leaving it in its vacuum pack until time of use, storing it in a cool or room temperature environment, avoiding temperature extremes of -40 up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, avoiding extreme temperature fluctuations, storing it out of direct contact with sunlight, and keeping it in a dry environment to prevent the spread of mildew or mold, which can affect performance qualities. Your XRT Ensemble comes vacuum packed to minimize storage footprint. To remove from packaging, unfold the excess plastic and carefully cut along the excess fabric, taking great care not to touch the ensemble. Prior to donning the XRT Ensemble, users should remove anything from their pockets or uniform that could damage the suit. To don the XRT Ensemble, begin by removing your duty boots. Next, unfold and completely unzip the ensemble for ease of entry. Slide your feet into the integrated Kempack booties, taking care to get as much excess fabric off of your feet as possible to maximize comfort under your duty boots. Place your response boots on over the Kempack booty. Secure your respirator facepiece prior to pulling the ensemble over your torso. Follow the manufacturer's instructions and usage guidelines for proper fit and use. With your respirator facepiece properly donned, pull the XRT Ensemble over your torso and slide your arms and hands into the sleeve and integrated glove system. Next, carefully work the butyl face seal around your respirator facepiece. For your safety, it is important that you only wear facepieces that have been certified with the XRT Ensemble. Take care to ensure there are no gaps between the face seal and your facepiece. When possible, obtain the assistance of a trained professional to inspect your seal. Once you've verified a proper seal, engage the zipper closure by pulling the zipper pull all the way down to the very bottom of the zipper track. The final step in donning the XRT Ensemble is to carefully close the double facing over the zipper. The facing is continuously lined with hook and loop taping to ensure there are no gaps to allow for zipper exposure. If you've worn the XRT Ensemble during events involving live CBRN agents, it is critical that you do not try to self-doff the suit without proper decontamination. In most cases, contaminated XRT Ensembles should be cut away from users after appropriate decontamination procedures. Consult with your authority having jurisdiction for proper decontamination and disposal procedures. Users who have not been exposed to any CBRN agents may self-doff the ensemble using the following steps. Open the front facing and unzip the ensemble all the way to the top of the zipper chain. Next, disconnect the APR or PAPR connection from the mask. Once disconnected, remove the hood by breaking the butyl seal at the top of the mask and resting the seal on the mask visor. Pull the bottom half of the butyl seal away from the mask and carefully pull the hood off of your head. You may now easily remove the respirator mask. With your mask removed, pull the suit off of your shoulders and slide it down your torso before removing your arms. Finally, remove your footwear and slide the ensemble off of your legs.